we're going to tackle lesson 10 of chapter 12, another hands-on activity where we're building composite figures. I'm going to continue to use the tiles that really aren't cubes, but I'm going to pretend that they are. So, what is a composite figure? A composite figure is made up of two or more three-dimensional figures. Okay? So, two or more three-dimensional figures. So, we're going to build the figure shown using centimeter cubes. Well, I don't have centimeter cubes, so I'm going to use my game tiles. And it shows us 4 in length, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 wide. There we go. And then it shows us a shape on top in the center, right? And there we go. Best I can do. Okay. So, it says count the number of cubes needed to make our base layer. So on our base we had 2, 4, 6, 8. We had 8 cubes on our base layer. And how many cubes did we use to make the top layer? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So, we're going to add the number of cubes for the base and the top, and that gets us 12. So how many cubes did it take? Let me slide up a little bit. How many cubes did it take to build the figure? It took 12 cubes. What is the volume of our composite figure? Well, it's 12 cubic centimeters. Now, on the back side, it's going to tell us what to do when we have a composite shape. Okay, and they tell us to separate our shapes. So, I'm going to slide off my guys that were on the top as best I can. There. So I have officially separated them. Got a little bit of space between them. Okay. So now that I've separated them, what do I have? Well, so find the volume of the top prism. So this was my top prism. I had 2 long, 1, 2, and 2 wide, and only 1 tile tall. So 2 times 2 times 1. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, times 1 is 4. So our volume there is 4. So the volume for the top prism is 4 cubic centimeters. Now I'm going to find the volume of my bottom prism. This was the one on the bottom. So, for length, I had 1, 2, 3, 4. For width, I had 2. It was 2 wide, 4 long and 2 wide, and my height was only 1 tile tall. So 4 times 2 is 8, times 1 is 8. The volume of the prism is 8 cubic centimeters. So now we're going to add the volumes to find the volume of the entire figure, the composite figure. And so we're going to add 8 plus 4, and that gets us 12. So the volume of the composite figure is 12 cubic centimeters. And that's what we had over here, right? We had 12 tiles. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Thanks for watching.